Hey everyone, in this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can increase your credit limit on your Bendigo Bank credit card. So increase your credit limit on your Bendigo Bank, you should follow the steps. First of all, you need to check your eligibility. Now ensure that you met Bendigo's bank eligibility criteria for a credit limit increase. And likewise, you should have a good history or good credit history and a regular prepayment on your credit card. Income verification may be required to access your ability to handle a higher limit. Likewise, you could also go ahead and review your financials. That is, consider if your credit limit is increasing based on your spending habit and financial situation. Ensure that you can manage any additional credit responsibly. So first of all, you need to go and log in into your online banking account, navigate to the credit card section and look for the option to request a credit limit. Now fill out the application form with an updated financial details like expenses, and you can also call Bendigo's Bank customer service to request an increase, or alternatively visit a Bendigo's Bank branch to discuss the increase with your representative. Require additional documents such as proof of income, details of the others, and after that Bendigo will review your application, which can take a few days. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation and your new limit will be reflected in your account. Now if your application is rejected, access your financial credit scores and any potential factors that may have affected your application before applying. Now make sure to use your credit limit responsibly to avoid overspending and manage debt efficiently. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.